Hello everyone, Mel here. So let's start right here with the warm up. March it out. So shoulders are down and back and look straight ahead. That's it. In 4, 3, 2, rotate your shoulders slowly backwards. Inhale. Exhale. Beautiful. Keep going. Nice and slow for the shoulders. And try to bring your elbows a little bit higher. That's it. And only if you don't have shoulders injuries, bring your arms up and back. If you want, twist as well your upper body, lift into your back. Let's go again for 4, 3, and 2. That's it. And release. Tap your toes in front. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, heels in front right here. So bring your toes up towards the sky. Again, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and we're gonna go back to the march. Rotate your shoulders slowly forward. Inhale up. Exhale forward. Keep going again slowly. Nice circles with your shoulders. Bring your elbows a little bit higher, so bigger circles. 2 more. And then we're going to bring your arms up and forward. Again, listen to your shoulders. Don't be afraid to do smaller circles to protect them. Good. And step touch. And let's travel forward. 4, 3, 2, backwards for 4. And again, forward. 4, 3, 2, and back. Let's stay right here on the spot. Leg curl, so kick your butt. That's it. Listen to your knee joints here. And then forward. 4, 3, 2, backwards for 4. And again, forward. 4, 3, 2, backwards. Step side and reach. You can even tap a little bit towards the back. Feel the contraction in your glutes. Press in front. Keep the shoulders right here in the pockets. 4, 3, 2, and cross your arms. Good. Again, 4, 3, 2, press down, looking straight ahead. In 4, 3, 2, and up for 4. Let's go front. 4, 3, 2, and cross. That's it. Keep going. And let's go down. 4, 3, 2, up for 2. Front. Cross. Down. Let's do it again. Up for 2. Front. Cross. And down. That's it. Bring your legs back together. I'm going to bring your knees up. Just like that. There we go. We can travel forward. Let's go. 4, 3, 2, backwards for 4. Let's do it again. 4, 3, 2, and back. We're going to go back to step touch right here. And then I'm going to travel to the side. We're going to go for 4. Ready? Let's go. 4, 3, 2, and switch. 4, 3, 2, shoulders back. Let's go for 4, 3, 2, and switch. Now we're gonna go for 2 and switch. That's it. Keep going. 4 more. In 3, in 2. Okay, look what I'm gonna do here. It's optional to cross. Cross your legs in front and clap. A little bit of coordination here. You know I like it because we lose it with time. So it's important we practice it. 4, 3, and 2. We're going to cross back or under for grapevine. Good. We're gonna add a leg curl. And again. One more. 3 and 2. We're gonna switch the arms. Clap up again. Listen to your shoulders. Up and up. Beautiful. Can we do 4 more? Let's go. In 3, in 2, and march it out. Beautiful. We're gonna open your legs and come back narrow. Let's go in 4, 3, 2, let's go wide. In 4, 3, 2, let's come back narrow. Again, lift the chest. Again, 4, 3, 2, open your legs. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, narrow for 8. Let's go. 4 more. 3, 2, and we're gonna open for 4, 4, 3, 2, narrow for 4. Open, narrow, open, narrow, and again, narrow. One more time. Okay, now we're gonna go for 2. Let's go. 2, open, narrow, open, narrow. You got it. I'm gonna modify it though. Are you ready? 4, 3. We're gonna start with your right foot. Let's go right here in a V. Right here and back. Open, narrow. Add your arms if you can. Come on. 4 more. 4, 3, and 2. We're gonna switch with your left. Right here, let's go. Left, right. Left, right. Are you ready with your arms? Let's go. Up, up. That's it. And 4 more. 3, 2 more. That's it. And release and march. We're gonna tap back. Let's go. Tap, tap, tap. That's it. Beautiful. Keep moving. Keep smiling. For 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, and 2. Now let's go back to knees up. We're gonna open your knees. Shoulders are down. In 4, 3, 2. Let's go back to step touch. I'm gonna travel again forward and back. Let's go. Right here. 4, 3, 2, backwards for 4. Again, forward. 4, 3, 2, and back for 4. Let's go skater. I'm gonna cross under. Travel forward. 4, 3, 2, backwards. And again, forward. 4, 3, 2, backwards for 4. We're gonna go back to the march. I'm gonna travel again sideways with my knees up. Shoulders down and back. Are you ready? Let's go slower. Up. So imagine I'm putting obstacles and you need to jump over. There we go. One more time. Switch it up. 4, 3, 2. That's it. And switch it up again. Feel the work right in your hips. Anytime it's too much, please release. Walk on the spot. We're going to switch again for 4, 4, 3. Are you lifting both knees? Just in case. Now we're going to go for 2. Let's go. Switch it up for 2. That's it. Are you feeling it? Can we go again one more time each side? And we're going to switch. Good. And let's march right here. Breathe in. Let's bring your arms up. Breathe out. And again, up. Breathe out. 2 more times. Up. And down. And one more. We're going to stay right here. Open your arms. We're going to open your arms and tap your toes again towards the back. Point your toes. Feel the contraction right in your glutes. Let's go reach. Listen to your shoulders again and drop them. Let's open your arms for 4. 4, 3, 2. Let's reach. 4, 3, 2. And again, open for 4, 3, 2. And reach. Now open for 2. Let's reach for 2. And again, open. And reach. That's it. And again. How's your shoulders? Let's go single. And reach. Can you bend your knees a little bit? Listen to your knee joint. Good. 4, 3, and 2. And release. Let's rotate your shoulders again, slowly backwards. Do you remember why I go way more backwards and forward for shoulders? Posture. We're going to sit the shoulders back again. Good. Let's do fist. Stretch your fingers in front. Let's go side. Let's go up. And let's go down. And again, in front. Let's go side. And up. And down. Beautiful. And release. Rotate your wrist right here. I'm going to go again with the point back. Let's go. And I'm going to stay as well to the right. Are you ready? Let's go. Pop it up. Right, right, right. Swing your arms. Feel the work in your left quads here. Let's switch it up. Same thing. Point directly to the back. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Switch it up again. 4, 3, 2. Same thing. In 4, 3, 2. Switch it up. 4, 3, 2. And again for 4, 3, 2. Step touch. Keep moving. Skater. And let's move forward. 4, 3, 2. Backwards for 4. And we're going to go back to the march. Now I'm going to rotate my hips on the outside. Both legs are going to work. Are you ready? Shoulders down and back. Rotate out and in. Out and in. 2 more. Stay nice and tall. You got that. Let's go switch it up. Again, 4 and 3. 2 more. And last one. Now we're going to go for 2. That's it. And again, switch it up for 2. Are we feeling the glutes here? And let's go again for 2. Last time each side. And right here. That's it. And release. Let's march. We're going to breathe in. Let's go. Bring your arms up. And breathe out. 3 more. Up. And down. And 2 more. And that's it. And one more time. Good. Let's tap again gently in front. I'm just going to bring your heart rate down before we start. That's it. Try to swing your arms a little bit higher. And 4, 3, 2. We're going to bring your heels in front. We're going to swing your arms side to side. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, and 2. Beautiful. Let's march again. Breathe in. Up, up, up. Breathe out. 3 more. Up. And down. And again up. Last time up. That's it. And release. Please keep your legs moving a little bit more here. Let's have water. Then I invite you to grab your chair, your elastic, and I see you in a few seconds.